rank #1 with NotebookLM AI SEO. Here's how. Google just dropped something big. NotebookLM got a massive update, and it's a total game changer for SEO. I'm talking competitor analysis in seconds, content outlines that actually rank, all free. Let me show you exactly how to use it. All right, let's talk about NotebookLM. This tool just got insane upgrades: Gemini 3 integration, deep research, data tables, video overviews. And here's the best part, it's completely free. Most people are sleeping on this. They're still doing manual competitor research, hours of work, spreadsheets, guesswork. But NotebookLM automates the whole thing. And I'm going to show you the exact process we're using right now to rank content faster. So what's new with NotebookLM in 2025? First up, deep research. This thing scans the entire web, finds verified sources, generates cited reports, then imports everything directly into your notebook. It's like having a research assistant that never sleeps, and it's way better than doing manual SEO research. Trust me on that. Next, Gemini 3 integration. This powers multilingual support in over 50 languages. So if you're doing global SEO, this is huge. It also connects to Google Drive. You can pull in sheets, docs, PDFs, images, everything. And then there are the new studio features, AI video overviews, infographics, slide decks, mind maps, quizzes, data tables, all designed to give you structured insights fast. You can export everything to Google Sheets, docx files, even Anki flashcards. The workflow is seamless, and the file support, it now handles up to 300 sources at once. That's a ton of data you can analyze in one go. For SEO briefs, this means you can upload competitor pages, analyze them, and build better content strategies in minutes instead of days. Now let me show you how to actually use this for SEO. Here's the workflow. First, you find the top ranking pages for your target keyword. Let's say you want to rank for something related to AI automation for businesses. You grab the URLs of the top 10 to 20 results from Google, then you upload them into NotebookLM. You can also add your own draft content. Any FAQs you've collected, research notes, whatever you've got. Once everything's uploaded, here's where it gets good. You give NotebookLM a prompt, something like this: analyze the content gaps, search intent and keyword clusters for AI automation services. Output a detailed SEO outline with title tags, meta descriptions, H2 headings, and a structure for a 1500 word article. And boom. NotebookLM does all the heavy lifting. It compares your competitors, identifies what they're covering, finds the gaps you can fill, spots the keywords they're using, and builds you a rank ready outline. But it doesn't stop there. You can also generate a data table. This shows you how your content stacks up against the competition, what topics they cover that you don't, what angles they're missing that you can hit. It's like having X-ray vision into the SERP. Then you export that table to Google Sheets, use it to build schema markup, create FAQ sections, plan internal linking, and the whole 9 yards. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. All right, let's do a live example. I'm going to show you exactly how this works in real time. Let's say I want to rank for AI automation community. First, I search that keyword on Google. I copy the URLs of the top 10 results. Then I head to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. I paste all those URLs as sources. NotebookLM imports them instantly. Now I go to the chat and type this prompt: create an SEO outline for AI automation community. Include H1, H2, and H3 headings. Add 30 LSI keywords. Include 8 frequently asked questions. Structure it for 1500 words. Target search intent for people looking to join or learn about AI automation communities. NotebookLM processes everything. In about 30 seconds, I get a full outline. It's got the title, the meta description, the introduction angle, all the H2 and H3 headings, a list of LSI keywords like AI business tools, automation workflows, community support, AI learning resources, and an FAQ section with questions like, what is an AI automation community? How can AI automation help my business? And what tools are used in AI automation? Now, here's the magic. I copy that outline. I paste it into ChatGPT or Claude. I tell it to write a full 1500 word blog post based on this structure. And in a few minutes, I've got a complete article. It's optimized, it's structured, it's ready to publish. And because the outline was built from actual top ranking content, it has a way better chance of ranking. We've tested this process dozens of times. It works. Let's talk about some pro tips. First, use the multilingual feature if you're targeting international markets. NotebookLM supports over 50 languages, so you can analyze Spanish SERPs, French SERPs, German SERPs, whatever you need. Build outlines for each language, then get them translated and published. It's a massive opportunity most people ignore. Second, use the visual tools, infographics, mind maps. These aren't just pretty, they're functional. You can turn your SEO research into visual content, use it for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, client presentations. For example, create a mind map showing all the keyword clusters for AI automation, then screenshot it, post it on Twitter or LinkedIn, instant engagement, and it positions you as an authority. Third, scale this. NotebookLM lets you create multiple notebooks. We're talking 50, 100, even more. So if you're running an agency or managing multiple clients, you can batch your SEO research, create a notebook for each client, upload their competitors, generate outlines for their target keywords, then hand those outlines to your writers or AI tools. You've just automated 80% of your content strategy. Here's another cool trick. Use deep research for automated SERP analysis. Instead of manually visiting every top ranking page, deep research does it for you. It scans the web, finds the most relevant sources, pulls in citations, and builds a report you can trust. Then you import that report into your notebook, combine it with your competitor URLs, and you've got everything you need to dominate that keyword. This is next level stuff. Same process, competitor analysis, outline generation, full article. They jumped from not ranking at all to position 5 in under a month. This stuff works, and it's way faster than traditional methods. Compare this to manual research. Before NotebookLM, you'd spend hours opening tabs, reading competitor content, taking notes, building outlines by hand. It was slow, it was tedious, and you'd probably miss stuff. Now you upload the URLs, give it a prompt, and you're done in 5 minutes. You're saving hours every single day. And the quality is better because NotebookLM catches patterns you'd miss manually. Here's what I want you to do. Go to NotebookLM right now. It's free. Create an account if you don't have one. Pick a keyword you want to rank for. Find the top 10 results on Google. Upload them to NotebookLM. Then use the prompt I gave you earlier. Analyze gaps, build an outline, export it, and create your content. If you do this once, you'll see why this is so powerful. If you do it 10 times, you'll never go back to manual research. And look, if you want to rank number one, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description, join the SEO Elite Circle today. One last thing, comment below with your keyword or tell me what you're trying to rank for. I'll read every single one, and maybe I'll even create a custom outline for you in the next video. So drop that comment, hit subscribe, and let's dominate the SERPs together.